What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel. So before we start today's video, I want to go ahead and let you guys know that we released our second t-shirt on the website. There's going to be a link in the description down below. Let me show you guys what shirt we're dropping. So this is the shirt that we're dropping right here. It's a black shirt and then the logo is pink, and on the back it has the same Diamonds on a Budget logo in pink. So these will be on top of the website, so if you guys want to go ahead and grab one, make sure you do so down in the description below. Thank you to everybody that went ahead and ordered a t-shirt from my first drop of these hand-drawn Stay Good logos. We have only smalls available in the black and the black tie-dye. Everything else is sold out, so we want to go ahead and say thank you to everybody that ordered. We appreciate all the love. So today we're gonna go ahead and work on the 240. I already went ahead and took off the driver fender. I need to go ahead and do the passenger side and then the hood. We're gonna be painting those parts first and separately from the rest of the car, just because this paint is a little bit tricky, so we want to get it as even as possible. So that's our thinking of how we're gonna do it. Oh my gosh. The hood was kind of heavy, but we got it right in the middle of the garage. I went ahead and put some tires underneath just so that way it's a little bit above the ground. So everything has been sanded down with 400 grit sandpaper. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this grease and wax remover and just spray everything so that way there's no leftover dust on it. I did already use the compressor and just try to shoot anything away, so this is just to help clean everything else off. Alright guys, so Blaine's gonna be painting everything. He just mixed up the paint right here. It looks really good.
Just the leftover from the other paint.
From the other what?
From the other time we had the paint.
Oh really? But you can save it?
Yeah.
Oh good. How do you save it?
What's that?
Just in the cup, it doesn't dry?
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm. Here we go.
I'm nervous.
How come?
Because it's metallic.
Really? I know. It seems really hard to paint. It's okay, you can do it.
Ready?
Uh-huh. Go for it.
where I use a filter.
Because that's all the stuff that was flashing.
Yeah, see all that hard, like, metallic stuff?
Alright guys, so now all the color has been laid down and everything looks really, really nice. And over here, this fender looks really good. I'm so happy with the way the color is turning out. So Blaine is over here, he's getting the clear ready to spray.
So, you know how this works?
I think he showed me it's 4 to 1.
4 to 1, so you fill it up to whatever number you want. So I filled mine up to the 3. And then the next 3 is the number that you fill up there. Your
To be 4 to 1.
Like if you want to add reducer or something, 1 part reducer, then you add it to the number 3. Like you always do the same number.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. This is after 1 layer of clear. We're gonna go ahead and put, I don't know, 1 or 2 more layers on it. But, wow. So now the hood and the fenders are both painted. We chose to do it like this where it's piece by piece, just so that way if I messed up on bodywork or sanding, we can use that to go ahead and fix other issues on top of the rest of the parts before we go ahead and paint it. So next we're going to be doing the body of the car, which I'm most nervous for just because that's the biggest piece and I don't want to have to go ahead and resand and repaint everything. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it turns out good. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, so much for coming back. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do so down below and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.